Hello everyone, this is our Sprint 1 planning meeting and um, I already create a Jira project and you can see the link is here. Okay, and and for the flow of the meeting, first we need to decide a sprint goal. Then we are going to create sprint one's backlog. First, like review the all product backlog and discuss which items should in sprint one. Then break down the stories into more detailed tasks and write agree write on the DOD and estimate the story points for the stories in sprint one, and then we can discuss about the team capacity and then about the risk management. We can note this discussion the in the Google in this Google sheet, and then we can assign the task and begin to do. And at the finish, we should complete the task cases for sprint one as soon as possible after the meeting. That's our agenda of what should we do during today's meeting. Everyone understand about it.
I have a question.
Please, Deb.
Uh, so I think we need to assign story points to all of the user stories, then select few user stories, right?
Yeah. We should have user stories for the all story points for the all user stories for this product, but we only need to discuss and confirm detailed for the sprint one user story. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we can begin. If anyone do you still have any questions? No?
All
Okay,
No.
we
clear.
can begin to discuss the sprint one skill. Team leader, do you have some idea?
Yeah, so as I already told you in previous meetings that we can divide our workflow into three major parts. One is getting diagnosis using image classification model.
Mhm.
Uh, then the other part is symptom integration, and the third part is real-time chat. So these are, I think, these three user stories has the most user points, and in sprint one we can do image classification. Sprint two we can include the NLP based symptom integration, and in the third we can add real-time chat and other login and other features.
Okay, so what do you think we should outcome or delivery in the sprint one?
uh, I think in the sprint one, a user should be there should be a dashboard where a user can upload an image and
Mhm.
get potential diagnosis corresponding to the image.
Okay, user can upload. Okay, Denzi, do you have any idea about
No,
our sprint goal?
no, I
It's
think
good.
that is good. Yes, user can upload. First, we can do the image
Downloading
classification.
and get to show diagnosis. Okay. Finally,
Yes.
do you agree with this sprint goal, or you have any more want to?
I totally agree with it.
Okay, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
As
agree
well as
with it too.
yes. As well as I think we should have project design ready of all the pages we are going to have in the web app.
Like a
What do
diagrams?
you mean? You mean
No,
we should like finish
the Figma
Figma?
design, yes,
Okay.
of the entire application. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you zoom in the screen?
Zoom in the screen.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Now it's better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after upload the image, it describes the symptoms, right?
No, the
Yeah.
thing is, yeah, no,
Then maybe you can describe this process more detailed, like about how is this dashboard? It's like um chatting interface or some other interface, and how can the user get a this potential diagnosis, like it's a message or it will show as a report or something.
No, okay. Let me begin. Now, first to clarify Pujita's doubt, Pujita, like the entire project, we are breaking down it into three major parts. Okay. The first part is getting results only based on image classification model. So no symptoms. Okay.
Okay.
In the second
Because
sprint,
because I did like a state diagram. I put describe symptoms too.
yeah. In diagrams should be of the entire project.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But
Okay,
then
yeah.
we are dividing this entire workflow into three different sprints.
Okay.
And in the first sprint, we will focus on image classification model,
Mm-hmm.
okay, to get results based on this. So what I think is we will just have a simple dashboard with a sidebar.
Mm-hmm.
Sidebar options may or may not work because the thing is all the other features we will do in the third sprint. You know, the features I think which has less story points, like login, view all of my reports, and this stuff. This can be on the sidebar. So in the first one, we'll have a sidebar, but not all of the links will be working. It's basically like on a web page, one side it will be a sidebar, and in the center of the web page, you will have an option to upload an image.
Okay.
Once a user upload an image, they will get a validation that image received success, image uploaded successfully, or if it is failed, it failed, and then it process on the back end using our deep learning model. And I think in a text box, in a like in a div element or something, the output will be displayed.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the report we can do report generation after the NLP thing in the
Oh,
third sprint.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Understand.
Yeah, because as you know, we all are not that familiar with machine learning and stuff. So I think this sprint will be more of a what you call learning stage for us on how to train models, how to work with a data set, so that in this sprint we will take less machine learning work. In the next sprint we
Mhm.
can speed up our process as we will get familiar with machine learning and
Okay.
deep learning.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, after this sprint, users can use this application as well. Like at least
Yes,
they can get a diagnosis, right?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's good. Do you have any still have any questions about the sprint goal? No? We can go into the next step. Can you see the link of the Jira?
Yes.
Okay, you can open the Jira. Open the Jira and you can go to the backlog, this section. You can open Jira on your browser and go to the backlog, and this is all of our user stories. And Now we will go through it and decide which of them should be done in the sprint one. Please, Cindy.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah. Should I open the Jira? I don't think so. Maybe if I open the Jira, recording will be transferred to.
Okay, so it's fine. It's fine. You can look at screen and whoever can open it, or you can open in your
Because if
mobile
you
phone.
open the Jira, you can like edit it, but also if you want to, I do it for you. It's all right.
You can open it in your mobile phone.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me open Jira as well. Yep, I think this skin 15 should be.
Yeah. About this one. Do you think this one should be in the sprint one? Yes. Of
Yes.
course it should be.
Yeah.
The second one, as a patient, I want to describe my symptoms. The symptoms is in the maybe next sprint.
Yes, it's in the second sprint.
Yes.
So skin 16. You
I
can put
want
it in
to
the
receive
second
a
sprint.
potential diagnosis. Yes. This is our like outcome in the sprint one.
No, you
And
can
I'm
just
sorry.
put the skin 16 second sprint
What?
parallelly.
What do you mean?
He mean like, oh, but yes,
What?
he mean like skin 16. You can
Oh,
put it in sprint to
okay.
backlog, or it
Okay,
should.
okay.
What do you think is right? Everything should be in the backlog, and in sprint to planning we have to put it in sprint to, or
Yeah, put
Yeah.
it in sprint two.
now, or in sprint to
No,
planning meeting.
only
Now,
decide the
so
sprint
she's
one.
doing it.
Okay, only sprint one. Okay.
Only sprint one.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't like consider about the sprint two, sprint three now. Like
Okay.
only
Okay.
focus on sprint one. Okay, this one.
I think you can just
Skin
go.
18 as a patient, I want to receive more accurate potential diagnosis so that I know the skin issue and this maybe later, right?
Yes, this is sprint two. Yes.
Maybe later. Okay. Skin 19 as a patient, I want to receive treatment recommendation. We only need diagnosis in the
Yeah.
sprint.
Yeah, in
Sprint
this sprint,
3.
yes.
Yeah.
This sprint?
20 as a patient, I want to be able to view my pulse, like view history, maybe later.
Yes.
Okay. Everyone agree with this. 21 as a patient, I want to review, download a report. This report is different from the diagnosis.
A report is basically a PDF which has patient's personal details and image upload, symptoms he input, and the result.
Okay, so the
This
diagnosis is more like a message in chatting.
Yes.
Okay, and also okay later. Okay, so should we do this like do the skin 21 in the sprint one?
Uh,
Yeah.
yes, I think we can.
Yes.
You think we can do this?
Yes, I think we can do
In
this in
sprint 1?
sprint. Yes.
Yeah.
Denzi, what do you think?
I think it should go in a sprint too.
It will just given diagnosis name, right, according to image classification model.
Yeah.
What will be generated in the report?
Uh,
Just a
I
instead
think
of
it
disease?
should be
There's
in
a
the spring 2 or 3.
it
Yeah,
should be, see,
Yeah.
actually it should be in sprint 3,
3
but
years.
Yeah.
we can
Yeah.
no, we can also do it like, it 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 has empty details, like, like personal information of users. We are going to do it at the last. Okay, so a report will be generated, but in
You
front
mean
of
we
each
can
of the
improve the
fields,
Yeah.
report?
yeah, we can just update the fields. Feature will be ready, just fields
Yeah.
will be updated in the next sprints.
Yeah, we can show that as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Agree.
yeah, yeah.
Because the diagnosis is like based on interface of chatting, and this report is not in this chatting interface. So, okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
everyone agree with this? Do
Mm-hmm.
this 21 in the later. Okay.
Yes.
22. As a patient, I want to chat with their allotted later.
Yes, later. This one is later.
Later. Oh wait,
No,
that we have a lot of things to do in the
sprint
spring
3.
too. Mhm.
Yes.
This, Abby, do you want to say something?
No, it's sprint 3.
Okay, maybe. Okay, 23. As a dermatologist, I want to review reports.
Yes, this will be in sprint 3, once we
Yeah,
Okay.
sprint 3 or 2,
Okay.
we'll
And
see
we're not
accordingly.
in the sprint 1, right?
Yeah.
Everyone? Or you agree with it?
yes.
Okay.
We are
yes.
making the
Yes.
doctor's dashboard in sprint 2, right?
Sprint
Maybe.
It
not in sprint 1.
maybe in sprint 3,
Okay.
Okay.
because user authentication and
Mhm.
authorization, we will do it in the last sprint. First we'll mainly focus on our core features like NLP as well as image classification model.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 24. As a dermatologist, I want to be able to add comments to patients' report later, right? 24. As a dermatologist, I want to change the status of patients' report. Okay, also later.
On. Yes.
Yeah. 26. As a dermatologist, I want the patient to be notified
Sprint
as soon
3.
as the state. Yeah. Later.
Let it read. Yeah.
Yeah. 27. As a dermatologist, I want to filter the report based on status later. So it's not a core feature. 28. As a dermatologist, I want to chat with patients in real time so that I can provide further consultation
Later.
later. As a patient, I want to 29. As a patient, I want to sign up. It's like a user system.
Yes.
Let's do the user
Sprint 1.
system at the end of the project. Maybe 3. Maybe sprint 3.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think we have to assign story points before to all the user stories, and then based on story points select user stories for sprint 1, right?
Yes.
What do you mean? Once again.
I mean, for if all the user stories, we need to assign story points first,
Yes,
and
but
then we have to decide what stories we are going to work in this sprint, right?
look, it's like we should do this before. It's
Okay.
like before we begin the like sprint planning, but it's not so necessary because we can. Okay, because it's
But
not it's not a content of the sprint planning meeting. It should be done before the planning, you know.
Okay. No, but then the thing is, on what basis are we putting user stories from product backlog to sprint one?
Should be
From
based
all
on user stories, like,
story points, right?
yes, story points, yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, maybe we can like write a point now. Okay, we can start again from the 15. As a patient, I want to upload an image of our skin condition so that I can receive potential data. How
I
about
think
the story points, do you think?
I think this story should have the highest story point.
Yeah, agree. Agree.
Yes.
So what is higher? I think
Let's
10,
20 maybe.
No.
20?
I don't think so. It is 20. Maybe it will be from 1 to 5, right?
No, it's
Oh,
relative.
not defined.
You can give 1,000 also. It's a relative.
Yes, relative.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can give 20 because
it's like
as of now we have 20 user stories. So I think it's familiar a little bit. So I think 20.
I think maybe 10 or 20.
20 is
Okay, 20.
okay. No, the first story, the skin 15, it will just have less. The second skin 17 will have more. The first
You
is the first is only to upload an
oh you
image.
mean the
Okay.
17? So how
Yes,
about
yes.
the 15? Do you
Yeah,
think?
15, I think
It's just a 5.
No, it's the same,
5.
right? See, when you upload the image, I can receive the potential diagnosis. Without uploading the image, how am I able to get the
But we have to make a
diagnosis?
feature.
See, no, it's like this is image upload feature, and that is your ML feature, basically
Yeah.
output feature. There are two different features. Patient should be as a user, I should be able to upload an image. This is
Yeah,
one user story. So I think this should have 5 points. 5 story points is
yeah, I agree with 5. I
Yes.
agree with 5. Because we need to like um we need to have a like database or something to store the image uploaded, and we should have a like interface to let users to like select and upload uh, their image, and we
yes,
also need like some API or something that allow the select the image from their device, right? So,
yes,
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Anyone agree with 5?
yes.
Yes.
Benning?
Yes.
Let's go to the 16. As a patient, I want to
Oh,
describe my symptoms so
17.
that the
Sprint one, second. In the sprint one, you added skin 17. In sprint one.
uh okay, if you
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
Okay, as a patient, I want to receive a potential diagnosis so I know the
Yep, I think it should be 20. This might have the highest.
yeah algorithms. I think maybe for me it's 20. For me
Yes,
it's 20 because we need the interface is not very difficult. The important is like we need to develop a model, and we need some API, maybe Flex development to uh, send this result to the
Hmm.
interface, send to the front end.
the user stories now in sprint one might look it's just two user stories kind of thing, but then it has so many underlying stories, like setting up a basic website and stuff.
Mm.
So you can go to the next stories.
I think maybe the 15 can be more story points because it's the first time we need to develop the front end.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Yes.
We need to set up a basic website first. Yes. So I think it should
Yeah.
be
Because we don't
56.
have a interface, we don't have a front end now. And in the 15, we need to develop this front end anyway to make it have some basic functions like the chat. The chatting with the AI. Maybe this. So maybe 10 for me.
I think maybe 13.
13.
Yeah, because we need to, we need to set up a backend, front-end server, backend server,
Yeah, yeah,
as well
yeah,
as
yeah,
course
yeah.
and Axios and everything.
Yeah, and if we build it already have a basic version, we can develop it in the later sprint. That will be more easier.
Yes.
Yeah. So Denzi, how do you think about this?
I don't know about relative story
Mhm.
points,
Mhm.
but yeah,
Okay, Pajita, how do you think about this?
Those
Maybe
are,
I just say maybe you will do the front end.
yeah, those two are good because
Okay.
I already put it on diagram only also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. And about the 16 other patient want to describe this. How do you think about the
So
story?
that this is just, maybe 2 point or 1 point.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe
Put two.
2. 2 is okay for everyone.
Yes.
Running 2 is okay for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
we can describe take these story points in another sprint, right? Rather than
Uh,
making it now for the another sprint. Anyway, we
mm,
have to
See,
create
wait,
the
wait,
backlog
Tanzi,
for
Tanzi,
other. Mhm.
Tanzi. See, let me explain you what is story points first, okay? All of you, okay? The thing is, story point is basically a unit we assign to each stories. Like suppose there are 5 user stories, okay? Now we assign story points to each of these stories, okay? And then we, in our capacity, how much points we can do in this sprint. So based on, like, suppose 5 user stories has total 60 points, okay? Now, in our capacity, if we take 3 sprints, on average 20. Okay, you can select a random number like 20 user stories, 20 user points we can do in this story. So now from the complete entire sprint backlog, 20 user points you can put in into sprint 1 to do. So you need to assign user stories for every user story, and then according to our capacity, we can select the user points we can user story points we can do in this sprint.
yeah.
Did you get it? No.
I got
Yes.
it.
Yes. And we can adjust if we don't have enough capacity. We have 33 points for sprint 1 now. And if we have not if we have only 20 capacity in sprint 1 this duration, that we can break down the user stories and choose some break down these user stories, make it to 2 user stories and complete the first. Yeah.
You can move on to the next
Yeah,
one.
let's go on. As a patient, I want to receive more accurate patient data so that I know the issue I'm facing.
I think this should be, I think 10. This is basically the NLP part.
Yeah, it's an NLP, not only, also the integration. So I think
Yes.
maybe because the integration is is a part most needed our knowledge, I
Yes.
think. So
Mm-hmm. I think
maybe
12.
maybe 12 for me.
20 or 12.
Maybe 15. Okay,
I think 12 is okay.
maybe 15 for me because I
Mhm.
don't know the integration now.
Okay, I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
Is
How
everyone
about other people? Like Darling?
So I have one question. So it's depend upon
Please,
our
happy.
model.
Yeah.
So our model works good, then the output should be accurate.
Yes.
Okay. So why we give 15 points?
Bhai, the thing is, it is according to how important we have to add this feature in our project. Okay.
It's not
Okay.
about
No, it's not about what output we are getting. Okay. Just forget about the output. It's
Okay.
all about feature adding.
Okay.
Leslie, you can move on to the next one.
As a patient, I want to receive treatment recommendation. I think this
This can be
maybe 3.
maybe 2 because the most of the work will be done
Okay.
in 18.
Okay. Maybe 2.
Is
Okay.
everyone okay with it?
Yes.
Okay. You can go to the next one.
This one should be 15, maybe.
Which one?
This one.
As a patient, I want to be able to review my past efforts. Yeah.
Diagnosis, so that I
No. I think it should be like 3 maybe because you just write an API to call the past data from the database.
Okay.
Mm. I think it's like I think it's more like a database,
Yes,
and you
it's
can
yeah.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
3.
3.
Okay.
How about this one?
I think 2.
2.
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone? 2. Agree with 2.
Mm-hmm.
As a patient, I want to chat with a dermatologist in real time for further
This
chatting.
should have like
This
10.
is the chatting feature.
I think they should have like 10.
Yeah, grow with 10. Grow with 10 or more, at least. Okay.
I think 10 is good, as
Yeah,
our
10
AI
is
models are
good.
relatively difficult. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we can adjust the story points later, like if we want to do it in Sprint 2, that we can discuss this again in the Sprint 2 planning meeting. So anyway,
Okay.
write as 10 now. As a dermatologist, I want to review reports. Maybe, what do you think?
5.
1.
2. No, 2. Yeah, one,
2.
one or two. 2 maybe 2.
Maybe I think maybe this one can be 1. That will has 1.
Yeah, maybe yes. Okay.
This one can be a basic, like this one. Okay. And that, as a dermatologist, I want to be able to add comments.
I think it should be 2.
Yeah, 2. Okay, 2.
As we need to store the comment in the database and then update it on the report as well.
Yeah. So 2 or 3, both okay. Both okay for me. Everyone agree with 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Separate model.
Okay, 25. Further, I want to change the status of patient. That is very
1.
easy. I think 1.
Yeah.
Because the database can we can write like very easy code to do it automatically. Right? And for the 26, I, the dermatologist, I want the patient to be noticed.
Notify
The 1.
maybe 3.
1.
Maybe 3.
Why? Why 3?
It's just notification.
Yeah, so we have to build up a notification feature.
But it's very easy. Like this issue. I mean, this cases is related with the link with the also patient and the dermatologist. And if dermatologist change this cases status, and in the database, this cases issue will change. And
Yes.
also so only send the user ID link, the patient user ID linked with this cases notification.
Yes, but yeah, the thing it will change, but you have to make a notification feature. As soon as dermatologist updates on the patient dashboard,
Case
there
will
should be a
Okay,
notification
okay.
symbol which will have 1 notification or 2
Okay.
I
notification
think
like
Okay,
this.
case
agree
will be
with you.
also generated between patient and the dermatologist, right?
Dermatologist.
Okay, okay.
What?
Anyway, 3.
Case
Everyone.
like
Case number, a specific
yeah.
number.
Yeah.
That's by default. The database gives object ID to all the data by itself, unique ID. Yes.
Okay. Everyone agree with 3 or 2 or something. Abby?
Yes, okay, we can put 2 or 3, any one of them.
Yeah. Anyone put 3 now. We can adjust it later. As a dermatologist, I want to filter the report.
The
To be
reports
honest, I don't want a filter feature, but if you want, it's okay.
No,
So
the thing is,
Mhm.
suppose you have 1,000 reports on the dashboard.
Yeah.
Okay, out of this, only one report status is not,
Mhm.
only one report is not yet reviewed. So now doctor has to go through entire 1,000 reports to find out which report is reviewed and which report is not reviewed. That does not make sense. If he
But
has filter option, he can just filter it by not reviewed, and he will get the reports which are not reviewed, and
we
he can
can like
evaluate them.
we can autoly like make the unreviewed or requested report at the top, maybe.
We can
Because
discuss it
it's the
later.
MVP, it's okay. We don't need to do so detailed things, right?
Okay.
For me, I don't need I don't like to these features because I think it's not so necessary, But if you want, you guys want,
Yes, Tanzil,
because
Pujita,
we
B,
have 6
Bangling.
people, right?
Yeah.
Berlin, do you like this Do you think like our project need this feature?
Yes,
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
we need
We
it
can keep it.
because
It can be part of it. It is no.
it should be. We have to put.
Okay.
Okay.
So how many story points do you think it should have?
Can put 5.
2,
3 or 2. 2 is
2,
good.
2 is good.
Pujita is just one function to just filter it.
Okay.
3 is also good, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. I think we have
Is
a wide range 1 to 20, so we have more numbers we can assign instead of 1 2 3
Right.
1 2 3.
yeah.
Sorry, because we need like interface for it, like
That
it need
is
a
not much important.
drop-down button.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
need a button and need like a drop-down list. If you click the button, and you can
Okay.
into feature. And so how about this one? I want to check with in real time.
5.
Real time.
Yeah, because we
Because
already have a
yeah,
patient
yes.
chat to them, so I think
It's a patient I want to sign up for an
Sign
account.
up.
So he's already there, right? This point in the starting?
No.
I think this one is not really more about they can upload the image via pass. I think it's more about if they register, they can like store their input their some personal information in it.
Yes, that's what view past diagnosis, and uh, it's like personalized. It will be personalized if you log in.
Yeah.
Maybe you can this all the rest four are login and sign up features, so I think you can assign two to each of them.
Yeah. I think one,
No, but we have to do
two,
authentication also, right? Yes, two.
two for me.
I think two for all the rest because all of them are login, and first two are sign up features for patient and dermatologist, and next two are login features for patient and dermatologist. So
Also two as well. That what did you say? Didn't.
yeah, am I audible? Yeah, that's what I said. For the 29, 30, these are related to sign up, and the 31 and 32 are login. So I think
Yeah.
all of them you can just give two, and then we can move on to focus on sprint one.
Yeah. Okay. As a patient, I want to log in to my console that I can upload an
We
image
can
via
give this one the least point.
this. Yeah.
One.
Okay, you can go on to the next story and assign one as well. These are all sign up and login features.
I want to hear the members responding,
Yes, because the meeting length is getting extended because of this.
Okay. So we finish, we write down all the user stories and the story points.
Yes.
And we already choose two. Let me see how about this is 50. Oh, okay, and the work balance is good. Like we have 55 to do in the spring 2 and 3, and we have 33 need to complete in the sprint 1.
Yes.
Yes.
I think it's okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And um everyone is agree with we choose these two user stories for sprint one.
Yes.
Yes.
I agree.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let me see. So next we can discuss these two user stories more detailed, like break down the stories into tasks, like what we should do, um, and discuss about the acceptance criteria more detailed. It's the same thing. Okay, and
Okay. Okay.
let's go through it. As a patient, I want to upload an image on my skin condition so that I can receive potential diagnosis. That can you explain this user story?
Oh, so basically you are dividing these user stories into subtasks, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so basically this user story, at its core, it's basically a user can upload an image and get diagnosis, but sub stories will be set up a front end React server, and set up a back end Flask server,
Okay.
and set up what you call set up a basic website. You can start.
No, you
Oh,
can, Zed, you can just divide this user story into a features.
that's what we are
Yeah.
doing.
No,
And
just
like
you can explain the
describe.
features. Front end, back end, ML model has been involved, right?
Yes, that's what we are doing. It's breaking it into sub stories.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, like, can you describe the what it look like in your imagination? Like, if you user will see what thing and they can do what thing, like they can see a list, they can see a chatting box, and they can like text in the chatting box, or they can see a button, they can click on this button and do what thing like this.
So I have a quick question. So
Please.
the user stories, now we are dividing this into subtasks. So we are working as a developer, right? So it's
Yeah.
like developer user stories now, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so first you can put set up a React front end server. This can be first task.
Oh, yeah. I say that because like I want to um all our team members make agreement about how this website will looks like, and how the user what the user can do in the website. But of course, we need to have a React server.
Okay,
Start up React.
React plus wait VIT plus React plus.
Oh, what?
You can write React plus
Plus?
VI, yeah,
Yes. Plus
plus.
sign.
You can add it.
No, you can just write. You can go to the same 33. After React, edit it.
Uh-huh.
After React, put plus symbol.
Plus symbol?
Yeah,
Yeah.
VITE.
Like this.
Oh, you
Plus.
mean the server is the backend server?
No, VIT. You can put it VITE.
VID.
Continue.
V put.
VITE. T for Tanzil.
VIDT.
VITTE.
TE.
P.
E. Yeah.
Okay.
Right,
This
front end
one.
server. Yeah,
Okay.
set
This
up
is the
a
front end
React plus
server.
wait. Yeah, you can put after wait. You can put front end server.
Okay. Okay.
Can you do it?
Okay, you can go on.
You can do it. You can put setup React plus wait front end server. Change it to front end server.
Uh,
No, wait is good. After wait, put front end.
okay. Front end. I don't know
Yes.
why
Okay.
you don't want to add it by yourself.
No, because the thing is, if I
Everyone
do, I
wants to
have
see.
no. I'm facing issues with my laptop. If I use multiple apps, that's why.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Because I don't know what is VIT.
it's just a okay. It's just a modern way of using React.
Okay. And then
And let me do one thing. Then set up a Flask backend server.
set up Flask backend server.
Okay. Then the thing is,
We also need a Figma for the right.
but then Figma is a we already we are working on it, so it's just project idea, right? You can put
No, Figma is developed.
yeah, but it comes under project design, and we have a project design now. You can put
No, but we don't have Figma now.
no. What I feel you can put uh,
The
developing a basic React front end.
what do you
Basically,
mean?
see, you have a design in Figma. You just brainstorming ideas on how to make a design and finalizing a design. Now, this design you need to make it in React.
Yes,
Yeah, so you can put making
but we
a
need to have a Figma. Then we can put the Figma to the React,
okay,
right?
yeah, okay.
Design of Figma. Oh, we can say finalize the Figma. Okay. Finalize Figma.
No, finalize. Yeah,
Design.
finalize.
Panel is good.
Okay,
What?
okay, it's good.
And all this. Okay. And then
Then create a no, what do you call develop a React front end. With the basic features like a sidebar and stuff.
so setup is different from the develop.
A setup is basically, just installing all the dependencies, just creating a basic React app
Okay. So now it's develop what
front end.
Front.
React front end. Can okay. Int.
Okay, then Tanzil, what steps will be involved in training the CNN model?
Can we finish the 15 then go to the 17?
Oh, okay. So
It is
I think,
finished.
They can
yeah, I
train
think
the image, right?
It's like
They have to train the image.
No, it's coming
yes,
17.
train the image is at the 17, not 15.
17.
yeah. So I think
15 is about like we need a website, the front and back end, and the like users can select image from their device and upload it like this.
yes. See, I think in develop a React front end, we will do the image upload option in this under this task only, so we can move on to 17.
Also, the select image and upload image is
That come in
Yeah,
front
is
end.
included in the
yeah, we
developer
can.
React frontend. It's a
Yes,
Yeah,
frontend or backend?
it's front end.
it's front end.
It's frontend. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. So that's all of the 15. That's done.
yes.
Yes. Okay. So
So
let's
now,
move to the 17. Everyone, do you agree with this about the 15? We
Yes.
have this 4 tasks to do.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to this one. As a patient, I want to receive a potential diagnosis so that I know the skin issue I'm facing.
yeah, Tanzil, you can
First,
break.
we need a model, right?
Yeah, you can break up it into steps, into 1 or 2
Yeah.
steps.
Choosing a perfect data set. First step.
Okay,
Uh,
choose.
no, but then see, the thing is, we are doing it feature. You can put it like training the model, and
But we for training we need a perfect data set.
yeah, but then in
It comes
training,
under training, yes.
yeah, it's like
Yeah, you can.
choose
No. Leslie, you can just try training a model.
training
the CNN
train
model.
image
See and yeah, image model.
Yeah,
image
classification.
classification.
Okay, and then
Deploying it into a
mhm.
cloud server, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
deploy the
deploy
model.
to cloud
Server.
server.
Then you can put
Move to possible. Then
can put backend and front-end API integration.
It will be done with the Flask, right?
what
Yes,
is
but
that?
it's
Using Flask.
no the wait. You can put what you can put.
Integration of backend and model
Yeah,
Yes.
first integration
using
of back.
API.
You can just put your
To
integration of
right.
backend,
The
backend.
integrate what the backend and the model, right? The model
Yes,
and the back end
and yes, that's it.
use API. Okay.
No. And you can remove use API. We do
Okay.
it by you can integrate the backend model and the backend. So the thing is the images we get, we need to pre-process it before we send it to the model, right?
It can be included in train image classification
No,
model.
it will be. I think it will be included. It integrate the model and backend.
What?
Like a
Mm-hmm.
user upload an image. You need to pre-process this image before sending it to.
No,
Not pre-process.
user's image shouldn't be pre-processed. Pre-process is when you train a model, you
No,
need
no.
to pre-process the dataset.
You see, I used the wrong word maybe. Not pre-process, but we need to you need to change the image like how our model want it. The dimensions maybe.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes,
So you need
yes.
to. This is
Yes,
also called pre-processing, I
this
think.
is right,
Yes.
It,
right.
it will
It will be under
basically
Skin 39.
It will come under
But
training.
how to
yes, it will come under integrate the model, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yes. Then you can put front end and back end integration.
how to say it?
Front end and back end integration.
Integrate the front end and back end.
Right, the front end and back end. I think we should be more detailed about what part front end and back end
The
because
thing
we
is,
have
see,
several everywhere we need to like front end.
integrate it. Okay.
Right.
And for you can put for image classification output, I think, no? Integrate the front end and back
Yeah.
end for image classification
Image.
No,
output.
for just you can put for the diagnosis.
No, but then the thing is, Tanzil, for NLP also you have to keep it on integrating for diagnosis, right? In the NLP also. So you need something more specific.
Mm.
So this one is integrate the front end, back end. The purpose is to the image input, right?
Yes.
Okay, like the user use
For or is
the.
from image input.
Mhm.
Hmm?
Mhm.
Integrate the front end and back end from image input.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's good. For image input is good.
Okay.
No, it's
So
good.
this one integrate the model. I think maybe it's.
Image classification model.
Yeah. Image classification model
Model.
and backend
Go.
for return the
No, it's
right?
good. Oh no, for you can remove return. Okay. Yeah, till backend it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Go to skin 40.
And I think maybe the model should have a like a task and evaluation.
Can you just open the skin 40?
Yeah.
Integrate the front end and back end from image input, right? For image
No,
input.
for image
No,
input is
from.
good.
It's from.
The image input is the purpose.
It's for is correct. For this thing, for image input, we are integrating backend and front end.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think
Like we do this thing because we want to make sure the image input can be implemented.
okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Like
I think we can assign we can assign points to this. We need to assign points to this task as well.
oh wait.
Okay.
No, I think we should have a task about the evaluate and how to say inference the model.
No.
That's
See,
what
we have to test it as well, right? Create the test cases.
the test cases is a different
Uh,
thing. We will go it's in the meeting agenda. Test cases we have to do it.
yeah, we'll have to test the cases for the every stuff, but I think inference and the evaluate is not a test,
But
you know.
see, the thing is the inference and evaluation, what you are saying, it comes under, I think, Skin 39, integrate the image classification model and the backend. So that means
Why?
integrating means sending the image to the to the model, right?
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
the evaluation.
Yeah, it is evaluation, right?
No, I mean the evaluation is like you
On
you
multiple
evaluate the model
devices.
how the accuracy how is our model is good about the um it's about the accuracy. Like you know that when we train the model, we use like 75 or 80% data to train the model, and we need to use the 20% or 25%
Is the
the
model.
data to do the inference, maybe, and like evaluate how the accuracy is the model, right?
I think it will come under 37, right? Train image classification model will include how you trained 80, 20%. It all comes under Skin 37, no?
I'm talking about after the training, we need evaluation. And
Okay,
also,
it is basically the testing the sprint one, how accurate our model is, right?
Yeah, but the thing is, we don't need to see. The thing is, we know this, but we don't need to tell it to others how accurate is our model.
no, because it's I think inference is a standard part of the training. Every model need a evaluation.
Okay, you can put it. We can
Yeah.
we can discuss about it later. You can just put it.
And influence. the- the-
I think that's it.
And I think this one should be here.
Okay. Now, do we need to assign user stories to all of these sub stories also?
Um, so everyone is agree with the tasks because Pajita and Bunny is they're not talking. Bunny,
No, not
I'm
like
great.
that.
If I
this
have any
go for
yeah, go
Yeah,
listen
I'm
then.
just saying. Everything is good, so anything I'll know.
everything is good to you, right? Bunny is also good for you.
Yeah, also good for me.
Okay, let me see. And we need to write a DOD for each test now. It can be more detailed, like for example, after the setting up, what will we have? Like we should have a code, and the code should be reviewed and no bug, for example, that. So about the 33 setup a React and the front-end server. What about the DoD? I think we should have a code in the GitHub, right?
Oh, 1 minute. Give me give me 1 minute. I'm opening Jira in my. So definition of the so yeah, code should be pushed to GitHub.
And maybe also could be has no back.
Yes.
Also could as reviewed reviewed by another member,
Yes.
like yeah, you can understand. And maybe coding GitHub
Oh,
can.
but the test
Mm-hmm.
should be test should be successful testing or something like this. No.
Oh yes, code should be test
Tested.
test
Tested. Ed. Tested.
pass it.
Yeah. You can put code in GitHub at the last.
Or code in GitHub. I think it's
This should be at the last.
should add us.
No, this entire point you can put after code should be tested,
Why?
because you check first there is no code in bug, then you review the code, then code will be tested, then you will push it to GitHub.
No, code in GitHub is you push the code to GitHub and someone should review it and if
Yeah, but I will push it to a different. I will not push it to the main branch before reviewing it.
Yes, but it should in your your branch, and someone should review it. Then you can
Oh, then
merge
you can
it to a
then
develop bench, not your
yeah,
bench. Okay.
then you can put first point as code in in a branch. Oh, okay, it's good. Okay.
Code is always in a
It's okay.
branch, but
It's okay.
yeah, it's okay. No bug and it's reviewed should be test, and the test should not have a how to say
Significant.
yes, but it's not significant. It's a word. The first letter is C.
No, compile no. This should be
Don't have the significant,
errors.
Bugs.
not bugs. Let me see. Wait a minute.
You can go to our team agreement. Maybe we have.
I can go to my agreement. DoD,
Oh,
critical.
critical defects. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, that's such a things.
Here we are in a meeting.
Let me copy it.
Yes.
Yes.
You can just simply copy all of them at once.
Yeah.
Before would be okay.
Yes, it's good. You can. I think that's it.
Okay. Anything
Copy.
else?
No, that's it. Copy all of this.
Uh-huh.
Just copy all of this.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Are we making any documentation for each this thing?
No.
I think this one is not need a document
Okay.
Yeah, you can save it
for
and
this
move on to
test.
the save it and move on to the next one.
Pujita, do you think it's okay?
Yeah.
Or need some more duty? It's okay. Abby?
It's only
Yes.
about code, right? That's okay.
Okay. So, okay.
I think we need to speed up. Yes.
Okay. Set up a Flash backend server.
Same points. Yes.
Same, right?
Yes. I think you can parallelly you can start assigning the tasks as well, right?
We can do this later, step by step.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Finalize a Figma design.
Yeah, I think this is not code. I think
Yeah.
just
Beautiful.
I think maybe
Should be.
we have a
You can
we
should be
have
explicit.
a we should have a design in have the design in Figma, right? And somebody can review the work, right?
Mhm.
Just save it and move on to the next one.
And what more? Any more?
That's it. Save it and move on to the next one. Yeah, paste. Yeah, I think that's it. You can save it.
I think we should have one. It's the code can implement the feature.
Yeah, but these are the basics.
Yeah, this is the basics. Yeah,
No,
this is basics.
1 minute, 1 minute. I think you jumped. No, this is not the basic one. This should have uh, this should have an what you call, code should meet acceptance criteria as well in this. There should be an option to upload an image, so you can add code should meet the acceptance criteria.
Yes, maybe we should highlight the more detail, like what can it do, like
Yeah, so
you're
okay.
right. You're right. So
You can put code should meet the acceptance criteria of skin 15.
so you want to add it at the
First point.
first
On
point.
Yes.
Talk about, say it again.
Code should
Should
meet the acceptance criteria
what?
acceptance
Oh,
criteria.
AC, right?
Yeah, AC of skin 15.
Of course, because this is a breakdown of the 15, but I can highlight this.
Of skin 15. Yeah.
15.
Yep, that's it. Next. Yes, Tanjil, speak up. Paste it.
Will the models code in the GitHub?
No, we need to just, but a saved file will be on GitHub. After
So,
training, you will save the model into one file, and this file we
yes,
upload it.
Okay.
not the code. Code will be.
Not the code model, right?
Model file push to GitHub.
Saved
What is a
model.
model file?
Saved model. You can just mention. Saved
Saved
model.
model.
SAVED. Saved.
Saved model.
Yeah. To GitHub. Push to GitHub, right? Saved model push to GitHub.
I don't understand. What is a saved model?
See, whenever we train the model, okay, we will saving the model in H5 file. This is what
Okay.
he's talking about. We have to push that saved file on the GitHub.
Okay, you mean the model after training?
Yes.
Train the model. Save
No,
to.
after training.
Yes.
Okay, got this.
You can.
Oh, and I think we don't need all of this.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Saved model push to GitHub.
Okay, push it to. 给的
Mm-hmm.
And the model can work, right? Can work.
Model has to, yes.
No. Yes, okay. Okay, you can just save it and
I have a doubt. We can edit it later, right?
no.
What?
Yeah, we can edit it later, but we have to do it now. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm. Evaluate, we don't need to. Well, evaluate is only the code to GitHub, right? Evaluate, we should like have the model should meet the acceptable like currency, right?
Yeah, you can
Yes.
put this.
Should model should meet acceptable currency.
You can remove the next 2 points.
The model to all the server.
You can just put deployment successful.
Mhm.
That's the definition of done here. Deployed successfully. Yeah, that's it.
Let me think. Wait a minute. I know.
With no critical defects.
Yeah. No critical defects.
Next.
Maybe all nodes work correctly. Okay. Um, okay. Any more? Anything else? Abby,
Yes.
have any idea
Mhm.
about this?
Yeah, deploy successfully, the only point.
Yes.
Okay. That's enough. And
Test. Yes.
yes.
First point you can write backend. No, the thing. No, 1 minute.
Um,
Okay, 1 minute.
I mean, the model can send the result to the backend.
No, not the result. What you call? Yeah, you can put the backend can send an image to the image classification model and get back the result.
Okay. What? But it doesn't need to send anything to the model. It need to send the image to model, but it's a 40, right? We can
No,
put the 40 at the top, right?
yeah, 40 should be on 39, but yeah.
Yeah, 40 should add the yeah. And this
Yeah,
one is the front end should send the
yeah, the
image
front
to the back end.
backend. Yes.
The, where's my front end should send the image uploaded to the backend, right?
Yes. Yes.
And for this one, for the backend should
Backend should
send the image to the model.
yes,
The backend should
should
to model, and the model should send the result.
you can
Diagnosis.
you can write in the same point to
What?
model and get to sorry
And
get back the potential diagnosis potential get back the diagnosis and send it to the front end. It to the front end. Yeah. I think
That's it.
that's
That's
good.
it.
Okay.
What's the other? Next.
You can move on to the next point in agenda.
Yeah, but everyone, let's review it to make sure it's complete and everyone is agree with it and understand every point of the DOD and every point of the task, because the next stop is assignment. So I want to make sure everyone is fully understand and agree with all the points.
Yes.
Bunny.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Have you reviewed all the every tasks and every DOD of the tasks, right? Everyone, if you have any questions. No?
You can let her know after the meeting.
Okay, so then let's
yeah, we can yeah. Okay.
we can
No,
before assign tasks we can discuss about the team capacity and the risk management first, and it will be a reference for the assign task, you know.
okay.
Like we can refer on your capacity and your skill, your technology to depends on how to assign the task. The team capacity is like how many hours can you work a week, and do you have any planning like festivals, or you need to have a vacation or something like this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I can work like around 20 hours per week.
Yeah. But I don't know, 20 hours what capacity like.
No, but the thing is, team capacity we have taken up as 33 story points.
Yeah, but I don't know what is how to transfer the hours to the story points.
No, that's what it's like a trial and error. Like in this sprint, in this suppose we thought everyone can put in 20 hours of work in
Yeah,
every week, okay? So
yeah,
now we know how many hours we put in, and for this sprint we took up 33 points. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Suppose at the end of the sprint, we are able to finish only 30 points.
Okay.
Okay. So next time, what you do is you take up only 30 points.
Okay. Okay.
So this corresponding how many hours you
Okay.
relate
Okay.
it.
Okay. Anyway, the sprint duration is from it's today to uh, the 19. Please,
Okay.
please.
I think it's more about just the story points rather than mentioning it the hours, right?
Yes. But how do you how so okay. What
Like
does it mean? Like you
dividing the 33 points in remaining how much time we have left for sprint one.
that's what
You got it?
we are saying.
Instead of mentioning the hours, we can just mention we should be able to complete such points like if we have 33, we should be able to complete at least 25 or 30 points by next week. I think
No,
I don't know, but we can at
see,
least we can notes the working hours now, and maybe we can analyze it later in the review and compare with the story points.
okay, so you can I think you can put I think 20 hours everyone can put in or more. You can speak up like how many hours each one of you can put in every week.
The most important thing is how many days we can focus on the development. Like our presentation is October 24, and we need to prepare some materials, right? So I think we have.
Leslie,
Please.
I'm cutting this point, okay? In the editing.
Yeah, you showed the
We
date.
don't have to mention the date, okay?
No, we need.
But yeah, but we are not
We
mentioning
have
that
done
we did
this
today.
we have done this sprint planning before,
Yeah.
not today. Yes.
Yeah, but now you shared your screen. The date was visible, 13th October.
You also
Yeah.
write over here.
So what?
Huh?
Okay,
So
can
what?
I explain to her? Can I explain to her？你不能那个提日期，是因为这个视频我们应该是在今天之前就录了的。但是如果你提日期的话，这个就明显的是我们今天才录的，明白了吗？
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
那我们今天 So what date should be today? What day should be today?
No, we don't
You
mention
just
any
don't
date
mention
or
it.
something. Okay.
Okay, I can see
What she
we
told
have
is
10 days
correct.
to development, okay? Because this duration is very important.
See,
Maybe
development
sometimes.
you can put October 10 to 19. You can put
Yes,
development.
yes.
Okay, October 10 to 19.
Hold
And
on.
Yes.
We just let me know when we start it, okay?
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Go. You
Now,
can cut this part, okay?
yeah.
Yeah.
Now you see.
You
Wait,
can
wait.
send
See,
this and cut it. Okay.
yeah,
We are way too slow.
Yeah,
We have
Leslie,
to speed it.
move fast. After every point, you are taking so much time to think.
Okay, let's do this again.
I'm thinking like like first retrospective, you are thinking about something else.
Okay. Uh, okay. Forgot this and cut this. I can. Let's do it again. Okay. Now we can thinking about uh the team capacity, and it's like we have 10 days to development for the sprint one, and you can work on the project for like how many hours, and do you have any plan to like have a vacation or something like this
I can put in 20 hours per week.
for a week? So um
Everyone
but
else, Everyone
Yes.
else
Yes,
tell how.
yes.
So how many hours for the sprint
20
one
to
total?
25.
Okay, Tanzil, you
20.
20
Minimum is
Paisley,
20.
20 a
Okay.
week. So we have like
Leslie, 1 minute.
you
Pujita,
means
how much?
4 hours per day, right?
Minimum
Yeah,
is 20 hours
okay.
Per day.
Dangling, what about
per
you?
day.
Yeah, I can put 20 hours per week, but in the following week, I have to prepare my midterm, so maybe less than 20 next week.
Okay. So, Leslie, you
But
can put,
after
Leslie,
next week,
you can put everyone
I'm
can,
thinking like
everyone
20.
on average, everyone on average,
Yeah. It's a estimate. So
20 hours per week. And
yeah.
you can go to the next line and put
Mhm.
120.
story. Huh?
120
No,
over
no.
weeks.
We don't do multiplication here. We just put
Okay.
story points taken
Mhm.
up this sprint. Write it.
What?
Story points
Mm,
taken up this sprint
33.
in spring
in this
one.
sprint. Okay, in sprint 1, 33.
Okay.
Okay.
One question per week. 1 week is 5 day or 7 day.
7 days. See, the thing is now I can put out of 20 hours, I can put majority of these hours on the weekend during the
Okay.
weekend. So
Okay. That means in this 10 days we can have 20 and 4, maybe 32 hours.
okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
That's 20 hours is minimum per week for
Okay.
everyone, right?
20 hours for 7 days, but we have 10 days work, so maybe in this whole duration everyone can work at least 30 hours. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, that's all. I think it's ace. This comma it looks like. Okay, and the risk management is like what risk will like happen in the sprint one development. I
Shall I
can
take?
see one first.
Yes.
For example, like maybe the cost of the cloud servers will be a risk in the sprint one.
Yes.
Yeah, cost of the cloud service or server of service.
Service.
Okay. So the risk be like what you call
Development
passing
risks.
development risk, like like passing in the image, but we are not getting output. There is some huh?
On the training the image too.
Yeah,
No,
if you develop something, but we can't get a proper output, that should be a risk.
but
Yes.
but is that considered as a risk?
Yeah, it's considered.
Yeah.
All
See,
these are okay. Like you are consider like we have not enough knowledges, and maybe like after the training we found our model can't meet the accuracy.
yeah, this can be a point. Model cannot meet the accuracy. This can be a risk.
Maybe not meet the accuracy.
It's the expected accuracy. No, expected.
Expected.
Yeah,
Yeah. And
I think that
Accuracy. Accuracy.
it's yeah. accuracy.
Yes.
It's okay. Yeah,
Remove one.
Any more?
I
And
think that's it.
I have one.
Yeah, please.
Like we can add if all the members have assigned some task, so one of the member has not completed his task, so it should be risk to our project.
Oh yeah, maybe maybe some one of some members will
Are
delay
not
me, right?
are not sincere towards their assigned work.
Yeah.
Not maybe, you remove maybe, just put some members.
Okay.
No dedication towards work.
Some members are
Members
not sincere, are not sincere
sincere
towards the deadlines.
to
To the deadlines.
ones.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that. But yeah, but then so
Okay.
what are we? How are we managing this risk?
Uh,
This we
With the
can
Scrum
discuss.
meetings, or daily Scrum meetings.
Yeah, that yeah. Okay.
we can have some initial idea and assign a person to responsible for one risk and like pay attention that happen. Yeah.
Okay. You can move on to the next agenda.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's move on. We can assign task now.
Yes.
Yes. Let's go.
If you start from 33.
Okay.
You can put me.
You want to do this. Going to left.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Me again.
The flask I can.
Mm-hmm.
You can also do this.
Yes. Yes. Finalize a Figma design bangling. Develop a React front end. Pujita.
The
Yeah.
data?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. This your account, right? The data?
Yes.
Yes. Change my name. Pujita.
Do later.
You
I'll do
can
this
change
later.
this.
Okay.
Okay. Train a
Okay.
model.
This one
Tanzil.
also I'll do it, but if
Tanzil.
you want,
No, but yeah, this can be assigned to Tanzil as he's already working on this.
okay.
Tanzil, then
I can
evaluate
do
and
this.
inference.
I can take this.
Yes, you, Zuan, and deploy the model to server Abhi.
Okay. Where is? Okay.
Yes, did anybody wants to take up this part?
Image input, like what?
Like some API.
Maybe me.
It is integrating entire front end and back end. Okay.
Oh, front end only I'll do it.
Yeah. So
like some the user send the image and the image will send to the backends and store in the maybe database or somewhere like this.
Oh, mm,
If not anyone, I
any
can take up.
Yeah.
Okay, then because they have this experience before, you can
Yes.
take it now. Okay.
And
Next,
last one.
integrate the image classification model and backend.
I can take up, but if anybody else wants to do it, they can.
Anybody want to do this?
I can help with you.
Okay, you can assign it to me. And I and the baby will work in
Okay.
coordination.
Mhm.
Okay, and I can sign to
No,
Abby, and if you
no,
have
but then
any
see,
questions, you can work with that. Okay.
yeah, but then Abhi, you will be responsible for this one. You want to help me or you want my help to do it?
No, I
Yeah.
want to help you.
Okay, so
Okay.
you can assign this to me
Yeah.
and I can take Abhi's help and I can do it. So,
Okay.
so we can we can hold anyone, responsible for each task.
Yeah. 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 And are
I
there
want it,
any?
I'll help Leslie and Tanzil because I already did this one before, right?
Yeah, see, the thing is, what we assigning basically now we have to work as a scrum, basically an agile team. Like, suppose set up a suppose develop a front end React is assigned to Pujita. Pujita, if you like, you are responsible for this. If you have any difficulty, you can take help of any other team member. And suppose you finished it early, you can help others.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
Like
can help others.
yeah, everyone can do this, but this assigning task is basically you are responsible for this work.
okay,
Okay.
yeah.
And everyone is agree with know their like roles.
Yeah, if see, if anyone wants to take up anything, like I have four things. If anyone wants to, I can do it, but if anybody else wants to do it, they can, they can tell now and take it. Okay.
Come
I'll
on, the your first and second work is set up.
It's I already did it, so I think
Yeah,
this is
yeah, that's it. That's the
okay.
reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Setup is more like need many knowledge, but not cost a long time to work.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
We'll see. If I think I'll do fast that one front end one. So if my work is done, I'll help you. I'll
Okay.
take any of you. Anything like
Yeah, me too.
four, right? I'll take it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
is there any sequential of um the work and these tasks and for example, we need to first finalize the design, then we can develop a React function, right?
See, let me just quickly tell how it can go on parallelly. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
First, see, the training model training, everything related to training the model can be started as soon as possible because there's no
yeah,
dependencies for this. You don't need to be dependent on anything else to start this. So the people who are assigned training a model and this stuff, they can start working. Okay.
Okay.
and
okay.
as far as React and Flask backend and front end design are considered, first we can Bangling can do Figma design as soon as possible. Then Skin 3334, I can set up a front end and backend server. Then Fujita has to develop a React front end. Okay. Parallelly, this training the model, deploying the model can go on parallelly. Okay. And as soon as the model is deployed and the file is pushed to GitHub, integration of front end, back end, and image classification
You know
model and
what I
backend can
mean.
be done.
My meaning is like, for example, the evaluation is blocked by train a model, because if
Yes,
they're not a model, how to evaluate,
yes, I got you. That's what.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So
So
just tell me what is
mm,
what should I link?
see, 33, 34, 35 does not need any
Yeah, at the first
any
step.
yeah. So you can go. Yeah, you don't need any first step for this. For 36, blockage will be 33,
30.
34, 35.
This one is blocked by the 33, right?
Yes, 33, 34, 35.
33 and
34.
34, 35.
See, no, not 34, not 34,
not
35.
34.
Not the back end. Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
37.
So the 7 is the first step. Yeah.
38.
38 is related
Blocked by 37.
related with the 37, but maybe not block.
Okay.
Maybe it's related, right?
Mm-hmm.
Relates to the
37.
37.
Yes. And next one. 41. 41. Yes.
Oh, 41 already done.
Okay. The next one. Integrate front end and the back end for image input.
It
Okay.
relates to maybe
Link issue. You can put
37.
No, 38.
Yeah,
Because
38.
38. I think 38.
38.
And
38
also the
and 36.
once again 38,
38, 36 and 34. 36, 34.
36,
34.
34.
Yes.
Okay. Same.
Oh, it be 38. Yeah, 38, 36. And what
Not
else
34.
34 also.
Okay.
Yeah. And for 40, you can I think for
40?
40, 39 will be 39 will also be a because we need result from image classification model. Then only we can send output back to the front end, right?
Yeah.
So 39 should be also it should also be blocked by 39. Or you
Yeah.
can do maybe relate to
Related
39.
to.
Yeah, because few of the parts can be done, but
Okay. Is it related to? Relates to what?
40.
40.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, okay,
Ah.
okay, yes.
Wait now.
Moving on to next.
Let me see the timeline. I think we finish.
Okay.
We are
If
done.
our one is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, it's clear.
So the thing is, I have a doubt. Do we need to assign story points to the sub stories also, or?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's we done.
okay. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, I can start sprint.
That's the sprint one planning.
Yeah, that is our sprint one planning. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.